One of the challenges facing an HVAC designer is getting the ductwork and all of its components into a sometimes very confined workspace and avoid clash reviews with other disciplines. And to do that, you need an accurate representation of the parts being put into the model. Now, this is a stock diffuser out of Revit, and I've been in enough ceiling spaces to know that the top of the neck is not the height of the T-bar. This is a family that I edited. It's this family. I just edited it so it was correct, and used the dimensional data from Titus's TMSA, which is a 4-cone diffuser. The other thing is the taps, conical taps out of the box in Revit. There's no collar here. There's no place to slide a piece of flex stuff on there and cinch it down with a zip tie. This is what they really look like. And I took my information from this catalog, and they did have the base diameter correct. It is 2 inches greater than the outlet diameter. So when we go in here, now you can see how the connections go together. The other thing, now this is what I was taught for a long time, that the duct width had to be 2 inches wider than the neck diameter. Well, in actuality, it has to be 4 inches wider. There has to be enough room left at the edge of the duct for this is a spin-in, for this fitting to go into the duct. Anyway, these kind of little things that I run across in Revit will have a big impact when you're working in a tight space and think you've got everything worked out, and then it gets out to the field and all of a sudden the things don't fit because the components you used weren't modeled correctly.